Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1380, lucky numbers in a matrix with JavaScript. Consider an easy problem. This is given an m by n matrix of distinct numbers. Return all lucky numbers in the matrix in any order. A lucky number is an element of the matrix such that it is the minimum element in its row and maximum in its column. Alright, so for this first example, we return 15 because if we look at this over here, max number in this first array is 8, and then the next one is 13. Next one is, a lucky number is the min number in the row, right? So that's 3, 9, 15, and then the max number for the columns. So that's basically same index of every inner array. So 3, 9, and 15. It's going to be 15. And the next column is going to be 16. And then the next column is going to be 17. So we return 15 because it's the only number that is in both of those groups of numbers. All right, let's delete that. Let's go ahead and grab this variable. Come up to CodePen. There's our variable. Here's our function. Let's log it to the console. All right. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the minimum number of each column, or of each row. So the minimum number, so we need to basically create an array that's going to get 3, 9, and 15, right? So we'll create a variable called row mins and set that to an empty array. Now we can loop through the matrix. This is going to have to be a nested for loop. We're going to create a variable here called min, and we're going to set that initially to infinity. And we're going to do an inner for loop, and we're going to say if j is less than matrix at I dot length j plus plus. And then we can have an if check that says if matrix at I and j is less than min equals matrix I and j. Cool. And then we just go ahead and we push into row mins min. Now if we return row mins, yep, 3, 9, 15, exactly what we want. So now we do the same thing for the columns. And this is a little too spread out for me. That's clear. We're just going to grab all the same stuff. But this time we're going to set this to that. max 0. You need to reverse these. So if that's greater than max, max equals j at I, and then we push in max to column maxes. Oh, did I forget to do that? I did. We need a variable for maxes too, so we need column. We're going to call this column maxes. Now we change this to column maxes. We should get 5, 16, 17. We do. All right, and then the last thing we need to do is we're going to create a result variable. Set that to an empty array. And return result. Now what we're going to do is we're going to loop through row mins. Let's use map. We say if col maxes dot includes num, push into result num. And now we should see a 15 in result, and we do. So let's grab all this, move back on over to Leetcode, and let's go ahead and submit. Cool. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.